Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you don't already know me, I'm Emmaline, and today we're going to be doing an upcycled dress. This is what I'll be working with, and I've had this dress like for a long time, but I don't really like the way it's looked on me. I mean, I love decent dressing, but this is not it for me. It looks so plain and simple, and I didn't like the whole design about it. So now I'm going to change everything because I plan on creating a top with it, and this is my sketch. I know. I'll try to like make it very easy. Like it's going to be very easy, like easy friendly tutorial, beginner friendly tutorial, easy sewing tutorial. Yeah, that easy sewing tutorial for beginners. Yes, I'm going to make it like that. And it's going to be very difficult for me to cut because I'm going to have a lot of joining on this outfit because of the way it is around the design. I'll join and add together if I can cut my fabric. So now let's get into it. Draping, creating patterns. Yes, so this is what I'll be using to create my star lines. I am done with my pattern, and this is the back. You can see this is where the armhole is going to go through, and this is the front, and this is the princess cup. Now I'm going to dismantle everything. I'm going to take everything out, and let's go.
6 hours later.
So after hours of taking apart this gown, oh my goodness, it took me hours. Like I took everything apart, and then the remaining thread took me hours, like hours, but I'm successful. I succeeded, and then we are here now. I've put my patterns already. Now I'm going to iron all of this and make it more smooth before I cut the outfit. Okay, before I cut my patterns. hours of sewing, this is where I reached, and I already taped the neckline. I already taped it, and now I'm going to be joining the gathers on the bottom, and let's see if it's going to be enough, because yeah, I like this material. I don't like working with this material. Trust me. Like, it was going to change shape, so I had to like use a stay tape to hold it down. It was very very tough. It was stressful and tough, but we reached this place, and now we're going to be joining the gathers to the upper bust. So after I have joined everything together, I have this long piece. Now I'm going to be taking my gathers and I'm going to be attaching it to my top bust. So I have reached this point of the top, and oh my goodness, I'm very very tired. Like, I'm stressed and everything. Upcycling is not easy at all. Like, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. Anyway, I'm going to be taking the back. I'm going to serge and take about 1 inch to pick in, because I don't want it to like be overlapping. I want it to like have a little bit of space. So I'm going to add my rope to the neckline and to the joining, and I plan on doing rolled M for the bottom instead of me taking it in twice. I plan on doing rolled M on the bottom, so I'm going to try that, and I'm going to be working on my bow after that, and yeah, we are done. And I'm going to be styling the top. So let's get into that. the front of the top, and this is the back of the top. And you can see the way I made sure it's went on a straight line, and it's really cute. Like it's very very cute, and I like the pattern of the top, the way it went. I love it so much. And you know what's next? Let's style it. And this is how it looks on me after styling, and it's really really cute. Like I like it, I won't even lie. Like the top, it's flowy, and you can see you can style it with anything. This is the full video. Very very cute. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And what do you guys think of this outfit? What do you guys think of this design, of this combination? Is this something that you can wear? If you had to wear this type of design, what would you have paired it with? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And also follow me on my social media at Emma Fadaini, on my TikTok, on my Instagram. We've come to an end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.